So hello developers, how are you? I hope so you are all good and welcome back to my channel again. And I know it's very long since that I have posted a video, and today we are continuing our journey, okay? And in this video we are going to learn how to make a structure layout of a website in Figma. So yeah, as you can see we are in the Figma right now and we have two sections here. First is for the desktop version and second is for the mobile version, okay? Let's see how we can recreate in the Figma to the framework. So we can make it from the structure to structure so you can get it know how it will be handled in the structurized layout. Okay, let's get it. Simply, firstly, what we have to see when we are making a website in Figma, we have to see the size of the sections of the website. Let's see, this is our section and the width of this section is around, let's see, there is a width. As you can see, there is a width. The width is around 1440. So what we have to do in Figma now, simply go to the desktop and give the width accordingly. Okay, and come back to the Figma. After that, what we have to see, we have to check the paddings in the section. Like this is the container and these are the paddings, and the paddings are 80 by 80 and 112 by 112. So we will give the same height and same paddings. Like go to the desktop, make a section and make it 100% because the width is same as the Figma. After that, what we have to do, simply open the layout of the section have you created right now. Let's create it, and now we have to give the same paddings, and here is the paddings option. Open it, and from the bottom and top we will give the 112, and from the sides we will give the 80. Okay, after that we will give the same color which is in the background. Simply take the color from here and give it in the fill. Yeah, after that we have to give the naming to the naming convention so we can understand it that how the structure is actually working. So this is our section, so we will give it name to the section. After that there is a container. As you can see here, the blue border is contain something in it, so it should be called a container, and the width of the container is about 1280. So we will make a frame in it and give the width same as Figma, and make it fill from here. What's the max width purpose? Like when we give the width in the max width, so container cannot get any further height that you have given in the max width. So our container is right taking about 1280, so it is not possible with the container that it should be go around above to the 1280. Okay, after that what we have to do, remove the color right like this and make the section to the fit content. As you can see, this is the content and the section is containing everything which is in the container. Like when we increase the height of the container, the padding is automatically increasing, and it's automatically generated from four of all the sides. Okay, it's maintaining from all of the four sides. After that, what we have to do is simply give the name to the container because it's a container, right? After that, what we have to do now, yeah, simply make one of this section. Like this is the first column and this is the second column. So you can take any of the section firstly do you want. Like I'm taking the image firstly, and if you want to make it, so you can take it first. Okay, but I am going with the image ones. So we have to check the image height and width. The height and width is about 600. So what we do now, simply go to the container, open the layout, and make a frame with the same dimensions. Okay, and as you can see, the section of the image is going out above of the container. So what we have to do to give the container the height of the fit content. So it will also contain the all of the length, all of the width, and all of the height of the inside content. Okay, let's see how it works. Let me do it for fit content, and as you can see, it automatically fits the content. Okay, after that, what we have to do now, yeah, after that, what we have to do, simply go to the Figma, click on the image, and get your image like from here. Simply download it. Okay, and see, it's in archive folder. Let me do it for an archive. Yeah, extract it. Yeah, I get it here. Okay, come back to the framework. Go to the fill for the image, because image is also a fill property. Go to the fill, go to the image, and choose the image that you have want to be prepared. Yeah, and don't forget to give the alt text. Okay, right. And as you can see, our image is imported here. After that, what we have to do now, simply make another frame for that, for the content side. Okay, yeah, simply make another one, and you can see the width and height of the content box. As you can see here, the width is around 600 pixels and the height is around 374 pixels. What you need to understand here, we don't have to give height in any of the content box. Content will automatically maintain it to the fit content property. So we don't have to give any of the height in the content side. Yeah, we can use height for the images, okay, but we don't have to use height for content side. Okay, yeah, we can use the width for the max width purposes, not to the fixed. Okay, so here's the 600 to the width. So when we go here, give it the max width of 600, and after that make it fill. As you can see, the width is coming up here, and we can check the gap here also. Like the gap is 80 pixel, we can go here and give the gap. Yeah, this is the content box, so give it name to the content minus box. Okay, let me check it. Yeah, after that we can bring the layout to the open, and right now the heading is here, so simply take a text inside it and write something, and after that just copy and paste the heading. Okay, here are the properties of font. As you can see here, the color is white here. Yeah, one thing that you are seeing here, the content is going outward of the content box. So what we have to need to do now to fix it, we will simply use the fill property for the text to fill in the content box. Like Here you can see there is the content box, and this is a content, but content is going outward of the box. So what we will do now, simply choose the content here, go to the fill property which is in the width section, as you can see here, and make it fill. What it will do here, it will fill the whole content in the content box. Is that okay? Okay. After that, what we will do here, there is a second text, so we will write the second text. Go in the box, take a T, means text element from here, and write something. And here you can see that the two of the text are coming one side and another is coming in the front side of that, but we will need in the vertical positions, right? So what we'll do here, simply select the content box because it is wrapping both of the headings. Simply select it, go to the directions and make it the vertical ones. Yeah. After that, what you have to do here, simply select the content box and make it align from here. Okay. Remove the color from here, and yeah, you have to copy all of the text here. Go back to the Figma, paste it in your second content. Yeah, it is looking something not good. Let's make it fill here. Make the content box. You remember that I have said we don't have to give the height to the boxes of content. See what we have to do here, simply make the height to the fit content, so it will automatically fit to the content according to the content, because content should be bigger, content should be shorter by the client in the future. So what you have to do here, simply make it fit. Okay, so it is fitting the content according to the content. After that you have to set it. Yeah, after that you have to set it. Yeah, here is the font family, here is the font weight, so simply give the same font family here, font weight here. Yeah, line height is proper now. So as you can see, most of the section is almost done. What we have to now do is make the buttons here. So what we have to do, we have to make another frame for the buttons and take it in the content box, because these are also present in the content box. Let's make this into a button. Okay, for the button we don't use width and height, we will use paddings. Like the padding around it is 6 by 6 and 12 by 12. So we will go into it, make the layout to the open and give the paddings. From the top it will be around 6, from the bottom it will be around 6, and from right and left it will be around 12. Okay, after that what we have to know, what we have to do here, simply give the same color. I might think that you are getting all the points that I want to describing here, and if you are not getting any of the thing, you can mention me on the Instagram, you can message me on the WhatsApp, you can find all of the links in my description, so you can find me there also. Okay, after that what we have to do here, simply take a text into it and write any of the thing, and make, now what we have to do, simply make the button div into fit content, to the height, to the width, for both of them. After that simply copy the text element and simply paste it here. It will create your button here. Okay, after that copy paste this button, and you are seeing that these buttons are coming in the vertical direction, but we want them into side by side. So what we have to do now here, simply take a element here and we can wrap these buttons into that element. So it should be around one by one, and all the content is coming in the vertical direction. Okay, let me do that for you. Simply select both of them, click on the right button, and go to the add stack section. It will automatically add a stack on the buttons like that. And you can change the direction here, alignment here, and I think you get it here. Okay, after that, what we have to do now, you can make the second style same according to you, and you can set the gap here like 32. So simply go to the div and make the gap to the 32. Yeah, and as you can see, our section is almost done here. Yeah, and before going to the mobile, I want to introduce to a new platform, and it's a big surprise for all of you. Okay, and I think you all are ready for that. And the platform is about Figma templates, Figma search feature, Figma. You can buy any of the template, any of the code write, any of the thing that related to Figma, and it's a very special platform. And I will tell you why. And let's have a look to it. In this platform, you can buy any of the template that you want for your businesses. You can sell any of the templates here. You can get code rights, you can get Figma components, you can get code for the Figma, and most of the things are reasonable and very effective for your Figma website. Let me take you a tour to the Blupry. Yeah, here is the Stripe integration, here is the subscription, and here is the live tracking super base. Most of the things are related from the website development. You can get for the WordPress, for the Flutter Flow, for the Framer, from the Bubble. Most of the things are very good, very good. I have personally used it in my projects, and they have a cool feature that I will tell you. You cannot believe on that. They have a special search feature. Like you want to get a website, you don't want to hire a website developer, you don't want to hire a website designer. So you are thinking you want to buy a template. So but you don't have any idea that how can I buy it, where can I buy it. Okay, so they just launched a searching feature in the Blupry, and let me show what it does for you. Like, you have a real estate business and you want a real estate site, but you don't want to hire any other developer, designer, and you don't want that headache. So what you have to do here, simply type the industry of your businesses, like real estate, chat app, restaurant, and any of the thing that you want. Like, we will type real estate. Okay, it will take 2 or 3 seconds to do it, and it will find the best, the amazing templates for all of you. Yeah, as you can see here, it's it's doing his job. And here's the preview button. You can see it from here. When we click on it, it will take it to the detail page, and here you can see that how it's looking like, because they also have a try it out section, and you can get a preview before buying the template. And it's a very cool, amazing feature, because most of the platform does not provide that feature. Let me take a tool that how it's look like. Yeah, as you can see, it's looking very amazing. They also integrated videos, animations, and these templates are getting into the very reasonable prices. As you can see here, the animation is good, the images are very good. They also integrated sliders for us, the submission, and the about section, the footer. They have done all of the things that you want for your businesses. Okay, and I have a special announcement for all of you, that if you want to buy any of the template, any of the code override, any of the thing from the Blueprint, so you can use my code Swimmer with Coffee to get a 10% discount. Yeah, let's get back to our mobile section. Yeah, this is made up here. Simply made a mobile section from here. Yeah, it's not looking good, I know. What we have to do now here, simply make it vertical. I know it's come in the layout. What we have to do, simply make the paddings same exact in the design. 20 by 20, 64 by 64. So we will make it 64 by 64 here. Okay. After that, let's see what is happening here. We have to control the font size here. The font size is 40. Yeah, it's done. The gap is around 20, so we will make the gap about 20. And the image is about 335, so we will make it 335 here. Okay. And now I think we are done with this. As you can see, it is almost done. Yeah, we can increase the line height here also and increase reduce it. Yeah. So as you can see here that you can make the layout structure right here, and it's very cool that you, if you want to learn more of the things, you can check my all of the videos on the YouTube. And if you want to buy any of the things from the Blupry, use my code Kramer with coffee and grab the 10% discount from the Blupry. I hope this video finds helpful. So